This week, several people were arrested in connection with an ongoing unemployment insurance fund, or UIF, fraud investigation. Authorities say the case involves fraudulent claims processed through official UIF channels, costing the state hundreds of thousands of rand. Cases like this are not isolated. Similar arrests have been reported across the country over the past few years, often involving both external applicants and insiders with system access. But arrests only tell part of the story. To understand the full picture, we need to look at how these schemes work and why prosecutions take years to reach a conclusion. Under normal circumstances, UIF claims are submitted by employers or workers when someone loses their job, goes on maternity leave, or qualifies under other benefits. Employers must provide employee details, salary history, and proof of contributions. When a claim is submitted, the system checks eligibility and contribution records before payment is made. On paper, this is straightforward, but the process relies heavily on accurate data from employers and internal verification controls, which is where fraud often enters the system. Fraud in UIF cases typically follows a few common patterns. Some schemes involve fake companies submitting lists of employees who don't exist. Others use real company information to file claims for workers who never applied, or who are unaware their names are being used. In more complex cases, insiders with access to the system approve or bypass checks, allowing payments to be processed illegally. Funds are often moved through multiple accounts, withdrawn in cash, or split among several participants, making detection difficult until audits or whistleblowers flag irregularities. Unlike street-level crimes, UIF fraud is data-intensive. Investigators must trace digital records, bank transactions, and employment information. Proving guilt requires showing not only that payments were made incorrectly, but that specific individuals intentionally manipulated the system. This often involves cooperation between multiple agencies, forensic auditors, and law enforcement, making each case slow and complicated. Arrest is only the first step. Once suspects are in custody, prosecutors must review thousands of documents, consult expert witnesses, and prepare for legal challenges from defense teams. Courts are often overloaded, leading to repeated postponements. Complex financial evidence and multiple defendants make UIF cases particularly slow to reach trial, sometimes taking years before a verdict is delivered. After initial appearances, cases are usually transferred to specialized commercial crime courts or regional courts, depending on the amount of money involved. Further investigations may continue even after arrests, as authorities seek additional suspects or work to recover stolen funds. Some cases see charges expanded. Others are withdrawn due to insufficient evidence. So while arrests make headlines, the process of delivering justice is long and intricate. UIF fraud does more than drain government resources. It directly affects workers who legitimately rely on unemployment and maternity benefits. When these cases take years to resolve, public trust in the system is eroded, even as investigators pursue justice. Following arrests is only part of the story. Understanding the systems behind the crime is what gives a clear picture of the challenges authorities face and why some perpetrators remain unpunished for so long. Verified updates will follow as this case progresses through the courts.